Today start a new lecture, dehydration by using alumina Al2O3. Last time studied dehydration of alcohol by using concentrated H2SO4. Look here, dehydration by using alumina Al2O3, the reaction is intramolecular dehydration. Intramolecular means a remove of the water, only one alcohol molecules. Only one alcohol molecules. Look here, a first example. First example, primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. Look here, a specific example, H, C, H, C, OH, H. A same condition of by using the concentrated H2SO4, same. What is this? Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. In case of concentrated H2SO4, reaction proceeds in liquid phase. But in this reaction, a reaction takes place or proceeds in vapor phase. Simple. 1 minute, a dehydration remove the water. Dehydration remove the water. The OH containing carbon alpha, next carbon beta. Remove the water from OH group from a alpha carbon atom and hydrogen atom from beta carbon atom. Remove the water. Look here, simple. Look here, when vapors of ethyl alcohol passed on heated alumina Al2O3 at the temperature 623 Kelvin. Same condition, everybody same product, but only change the catalyst or dehydrating agent. Everybody look at the formation of CH2 double bond CH2, name of the compound ethylene. IUPAC names of compound ethyl. IUPAC ethyl plus water molecules plus H2. Look here, simple. When vapors of ethyl alcohol passed on heated alumina at the temperature is 623 Kelvin, it gives ethylene. IUPAC names ethyl. Correct? Reaction is a intramolecular dehydration. Intramolecular dehydration in vapor phase, no liquid phase. Liquid phase by using concentrated H2SO4. Okay? Yes. Look here, a second reaction. Everybody, next the second reaction, N-propyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. A same condition, same principle, basic concept. A OH containing carbon. OH containing carbon is alpha. Next carbon is beta. Okay. Next OH containing carbon alpha. A next carbon is beta. Remove the water. Name of the compound propane. Propane 1OL means N-propyl alcohol. When vapors of N-propyl alcohol passed on a heated alumina at the temperature 623 Kelvin. Product here. Look here, CH3. Next CH. Double bond CH2. Name of the compound propene. Propene. Common name propylene. Common name propylene. Correct? Yes. Look at the explanation of this reaction, all of you. Simple. When N-propyl alcohol or a propane 1OL. What is this? This is the vapors. A passed on a heated alumina at the temperature is 623 Kelvin. It gives propene or propylene. Look here, simple. Look here, in practical purpose. Look here, a temperature, everybody is temperature 523 instead of the 623. Simple temperature 1 minute. As the questions of a JEE or NEET, everybody ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2OH. Name of the compound ethyl alcohol. ethyl alcohol. Look here, temperature a 523 at by using the alumina. You know dehydration, everybody dehydration. But less temperature, a 100 Kelvin. In this temperature, no dehydration reaction. Dehydration reaction also, but intermolecular dehydration, but not a intramolecular dehydration. You know reaction here, like this reaction, a CH3, next CH2, oxygen, CH2, next CH3, name of the compound diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. Okay, ethoxyethane. IUPAC names of the compound, a ethoxyethane diethyl ether plus H2 plus a water molecules, correct? Plus water molecules. You know, only change the temperature. Okay, 523 instead of 623. The product change. 623, a higher the temperature, intramolecular dehydration of the alcohol. But lower the temperature, in case of, okay, 523 Kelvin, the product is, you know, a product is diethyl ether. Diethyl ether means intermolecular dehydration. Exceptional case. Okay, what is this? This is the exceptional case. प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये आपण हे प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे किंवा जेडबल नीटच्या ज्या बुक्स मध्ये आपल्याला हे माहिती दिलेली आहे. लुक हियर नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल. Look here, a second point is B point, secondary alcohol. Correct? A specific example, isopropyl alcohol. CH3, CHOH, next is the CH3. You know, basic concept here, basic principle in this reaction, OH containing carbon alpha. How many beta carbon here? 2 beta carbon atom. Both are same. Both are same beta carbon atom, means both sides are same or symmetrical sides. By using alumina Al2O3 at the temperature 523 Kelvin. In secondary alcohol, a fixed temperature here a 523 Kelvin. In primary alcohol 623. And secondary alcohol 523 Kelvin. When vapors of isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Okay, IUPAC names of this compound, propane 2OL. Propane 2OL, correct? Yes. When vapors of isopropyl alcohol passed on a heated alumina at the temperature a 523 Kelvin. Remove the water. Okay, OH and hydrogen. Any beta carbon atom. Why? If both beta carbon atom are same. CH3. You know product here. CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. Name of the compound propene. Common name propylene plus H2O. Correct? Yes. Intramolecular dehydration of alcohol. Intramolecular dehydration of alcohol. Correct? Yes. Expansion of reaction. You know, when isopropyl alcohol, everybody here, when isopropyl, vapors of isopropyl alcohol is passed on heated alumina at the temperature a 523 Kelvin, it gives propene or propylene. Correct? Yes. Look here. Next, everybody, a third example. Next is the third. Tertiary alcohol. Next is the tertiary alcohol. Point C, tertiary alcohol. Okay, yes. Specific example, CH3, next C, next CH3, next CH3, next OH. Basic concept of this reaction, OH containing carbon alpha. How many beta carbon atom here? 3 beta carbon atoms. Remove the hydrogen atom of that beta carbon atom. Any beta carbon atom. Why? All beta carbon atom are same, means CH3, CH3, CH3. Correct? Yes. Okay, like this. alumina Al2O3, temperature a 423 Kelvin. Name of the compound here, tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol, correct? Yes. Answer, when vapors of tertiary butyl alcohol passed on a heated alumina at 423 Kelvin temperature, it gives simple CS3. CS3 double bond CS2. Name of the compound, isobutylene. Isobutylene. IUPAC name of this compound, a 2-methyl. 2-methyl propene. 2-methyl propene. Correct? Yes. Plus H2O. Okay. Look here, simple. When a vapors of a tertiary butyl alcohol passed on heated alumina at the temperature a 423 Kelvin temperature, it gives isobutylene. Okay. Look here, a complete the reaction of primary alcohol in case of secondary alcohol, in case of tertiary alcohol. Look here, a next point, JW of, this is the characteristics of reaction, means, you know, a JW neat. Look here, a first point, it is intramolecular dehydration of reaction. Intramolecular dehydration. Okay, look here, this reaction takes place in phase, vapor phase. Vapor phase. And third point, look here, order of dehydration. Everybody, look here, a order of dehydration here. Order of alcohol, dehydration of alcohol, here 3 degree, greater than 2 degree, greater than 1 degree alcohol, greater than a 1 degree alcohol. Look here, this is the characteristic of reaction or simply a JWN midpoint, correct? Dehydration by using alumina, okay? Okay, thank you.